Welcome to SmartPath SG, where every student can learn, grow, and succeed. Welcome. Today we're tackling energy conversion, one of the most commonly tested topics in PSLE Science. We'll cover the 6 forms of energy, key conversion chains, and work through 5 exam-style questions together. Pause the video whenever you see a practice question slide. Before we jump into questions, let's make sure we know all 6 forms of energy tested in PSLE Science. Know the definition and some examples for each. Here are the 6 forms of energy. Pause and try to recall the definition and some examples for each. Now let's review one by one. Kinetic energy is the energy of a moving object. Potential energy is stored energy due to position or shape. Light energy enables us to see. Heat energy makes things warm. Electrical energy is carried by electric current. Sound energy is from vibrations that travel through a medium. Ensure you understand how each form of energy is stored or released. Understand and memorize these 5 conversion chains, as they cover most PSLE energy questions. The most important principle is the law of conservation. Energy is never created or destroyed, only converted. This principle is often tested in Booklet B. Now, let's practice. We have 2 Booklet A multiple-choice questions. Pause the video at each question slide and choose your answer before I reveal it. Question 1. A student stretches a rubber band and releases it, sending a paper ball flying. It lands with a soft thud. Pause the video now and select the correct energy chain. The correct answer is C, potential to kinetic to sound. The energy begins as elastic potential energy in the stretched band, converts to kinetic energy as the ball moves, and finally, to sound energy upon impact. The key is identifying the start of the chain. The rubber band is stretched and stores potential energy before anything moves. Question 2. Which statement about energy resources is correct? Pause the video and choose your answer. The answer is D. Most energy resources are derived from the sun, making it our primary source. Remember that coal is non-renewable, solar panels convert light to electrical energy, and the sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion. Now for the structured questions. Booklet B style. Remember, always name specific energy forms in your answers. Never just say more energy. Question 3. A key winds a spring inside a toy car. When released, the car moves forward and makes a whirring noise. The axle also gets slightly warm from friction. Pause the video now and try answer parts A and B. Part A. Potential energy is stored in the wound-up spring. Part B. When released, the stored potential energy converts to kinetic, sound, and heat energy. Remember the key tip. Friction always produces heat, so if friction is mentioned, include heat energy in your answer. Question 4. A boy rolls a ball from different heights down a ramp onto a flat surface. A block is placed at the bottom. Part A. Explain why a ball released from a greater height causes the block to move further. Use energy terms. Pause the video and write your answer. This 2-mark answer must name 2 energy forms: potential energy at the top, kinetic energy at the bottom. Then link greater height to more force on the block. Remember to name both potential and kinetic energy to get full marks. Question 4. Parts B and C involve variables for a fair test and the effect of a heavier ball. Pause the video and answer yourself first. Part B. For a fair test, only one variable should change, that is the height. You must keep variables like the ball, ramp surface, and the block starting position the same. Part C. For a heavier ball, it moves the block more than 12 centimeters because it stores more potential energy at the same height, converting to more kinetic energy and hitting the block harder. Remember, always state your prediction first, then explain. Question 5. Water stored in a reservoir flows downhill through pipes, spinning a turbine and generator to produce electricity for homes and factories. Parts A and B ask you to name the energy stored in the reservoir water and trace the complete energy conversion to homes. Pause the video now. Part A. The energy stored in the reservoir is potential energy due to the water's height. Part B. The complete conversion is potential energy to kinetic energy as water flows downhill and then to electrical energy via the turbine before delivered to homes. This is a 3-stage energy chain. Parts C and D cover the energy output of a television and a common scientific error. Pause the video and answer both parts. Part C. A television converts electrical energy mainly into light and sound energy, with heat energy as a byproduct. Part D. The scientific error in the student's statement is the claim that energy is, quote, created from nothing. Energy can only be converted, never created or destroyed. That's all 5 questions covered. Great work. Remember, Always name specific energy forms, never say more energy without naming the type, and friction always produces heat. Here is a quick recap of all key conversions from today. Pause the video and try to recall each chain and its examples. That is your revision guide to PSLE Science energy conversion. Visit smartpathsg.com for more science practice questions and tips. Thanks for watching. Head over to smartpathsg.com to play our free PSLE practice game, or join our community for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.